In our last video, we spoke about surprises on the horizon. And now, with O News 12, we can truly see it unfolding before our very eyes. Ash begins with a message of gratitude, reminding us to stay connected. He thanks each and every one of us for our patience, for our positivity, and for our unwavering presence. Because you are the reason this community has endured. You are the reason we have grown stronger. And you are the reason this journey is so meaningful. Your constant encouragement is what fuels this movement. And for that, we are deeply grateful. The OES remains open, your trusted source of information regarding ONPASSIVE. It will continue to keep you informed about the progress we are making, and about the international matters still being carefully worked through. But here's something very important you need to know. The details of how we move forward into our big, bold, and beautiful shared dream will not be posted inside the OES. Why? Because this next chapter is unlike anything before. It will unfold in a new way. A unique approach, designed especially for the incredible season we are about to enter. And when the time is right, you will be the first to know. So for now, stay close. Stay tuned, because what's ahead is more than just progress. It's more than just another update. It's a wonderful surprise, one that we believe you will not only appreciate, but truly love. Together we are not just moving forward, we are preparing to step into something magnificent.
Every step, every trial made us strong. Together we've been marching all along. Now the moment's drawing near, a brighter future's crystal clear. The world will see what we've become, a journey rising just begun. Something magnificent, shining in the skies, a dream uniting hearts, a vision in our eyes. Together we're unstoppable, together we believe. This is more than just a promise, it's the life we will achieve. Ash reminded us to stay, with patience light will guide the way. Grateful hearts and shaking hands, building dreams across the lands. Not just moving, but soaring high. Not just reaching, but touching the sky. A chapter new, a story untold. Something magnificent about to unfold. Something magnificent, shining in the skies, a dream uniting hearts, a vision in our eyes. Together we are unstoppable, together we believe. This is more than just a promise, it's the life we will achieve. Together, side by side, into something magnificent that we'll ride. Something magnificent, shining in the skies, a dream uniting hearts, a vision in our eyes. Together we're unstoppable, together we believe. This is more than just a promise, it's the life we